Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down and find password and security. Let's stop. Then let's scroll down and go to advanced options and find encryption credentials. So here we've got some options. The option we're looking for is at the very bottom, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive right now, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. And also be aware, because if you've got any kind of screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.